Hello friends, today I am installing a Linux system screen for BMW F30. Pry out the air conditioning trim panel with the rocker. Take out the connecting plug on the back of the air conditioning trim panel, and then place the air conditioning trim panel to one side. Remove the fixing screws of the host panel. Take out the connecting plug on the back of the host panel, and then place the host panel of the original vehicle. Remove the fixing screws of the original host. Remove the fixing screws of the original display screen. Pull the original host outward. Take out the original host. Then hold the E-shell plug buckle of the main engine and pull it backward to take out the E-shell plug of the host. Press the LVDS plug button on the back of the original display screen. Then take out the LVDS cable plug, and then place the original display screen. Thread the USB harness plug to the base of the display, and lay the female end of the USB connection cable into the passenger compartment. Connect the E-shell plug from the stock main unit to the male connector of the Linux E-shell harness. Connect the Linux E-shell cable female connector to the back of the original main unit. Insert the plug and press the clip to make the installation secure. Place the Linux E-shell harness inside the dash and thread the plug end onto the base of the display. Install the original host back to its original position. Confirm that it is installed in place, and then lock and fix the original host. Restore the connection plug on the back of the host panel, and then install it back in place. Connect the plug of the Linux user harness and USB harness to the back of the Linux device. And connect the stock LVDS male connector to the back connector of the Linux device. Install the Linux device to the base of the original display and lock the screws to secure it. Restore the connection plug on the back of the air conditioning trim panel, and then install it back to its original position. Ignition. Start the car power on to check whether the Linux device can be turned on normally. Check whether the functions are normal.